Hi, I'm Robin. I'm going to take you through a day in the life of a freight agent here at Southwest Airlines. So why don't you come along? There are two different sections here at Cargo. There's the office, which handles the smaller package. Driver's license, please.
You have an airbill
Thank
number?
you. Pick up at door 18, number 3011. That's 3011, door 18. Thank you. Hey, Mr. Glenn. Okay, this way, please. And there's the warehouse, which handles larger packages as well as larger quantities. There'll be times when I might be in the office and I have time to come out and help them when they're overloaded. And there'll be times when one of my coworkers will come in and help me because they see I have a line. In Cargo, we have 3 different time periods. It's a 24-hour operation. The process is definitely different on each shift. We have like big trucks that come in later on the night. Then we have drops early in the morning. So we're constantly busy and making sure that we get things done and out the door. We have different things like we'll have Nora that comes in and then she'll drop off kidneys, hearts, which are very urgent ones that go from here. And they go straight down to the plane, and the plane goes and takes them, and we keep very good track of them because it's for life-saving. And then we have human remains and bio for testing, and we have to make sure that we label them. Everyone just pitches in, even when the trucks come up. And it's like we might be short, we may not have enough people, and we can pitch in even if we're short, even if we're not short. It's just always a team effort. Everyone just sticks together and works as a team and family.